Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to give you an based review on the website that is costybee.com. So if you are curious to know about Costybee Garden, just watch this video. It will help you to decide either you should shop from this store or to move on to some other store. So it is actually an online based retail store that continues its operation in United States. The site has been crafted to deliver first rate products and services and mainly deals with garden decor, home decor, mouse trapping gadgets. Like this website has given a products quick view with the price on the home page. Now the site is selling products at incredible discount. So let's check out some more details regarding this website. It is HTTPS secured website. Email address which they are mentioning is matching the domain name and it can be a positive sign. But unfortunately, they have not mentioned any contact number and official address. They are delivering worldwide. Social media icons of Facebook, Twitter, Instagram are present on official portal, but they are inactive. The positive point of shopping from the store are stunning decoration products are available, services provided globally, free shipping above a certain amount of purchasing, availability of different payment modes. The negative point of shopping from the store are shallow trust ratings, address, cancellation terms, the number contact are missing, absence of reviews and network sites links. So the question is, how much Costybee Garden website legit? So as we are discussing the legitimacy and we are discussing certain parameters, we are going into depth. Like it was created on 25th May 2021. The site trust rate is 2%. The address is missing. It is has like duplicate content up to 27%. The registered domain name is unknown. The connection with networking sites, social media icons are inactive, missing of several vital policies information. As we know, customers' feedback is one of the essential checklists that we should not avoid. And during the checking of the feedback of Costybee Garden, we did not observe any comment regarding its services and products. The remarks aren't available in the portal, and when we check out external sites we did not find any fruitful result. Moreover, the website has not done one more necessary information like networking sites campaigns, business needs promotion, and now digital promotion is converted into one of the standard practice of every small business even. But however, this website lacks all these details, so we can say that this website seems shady for several reasons, like no reviews, no digital campaign, no networking sites, no contact number, no address, low trust tracking, duplicate content, few number of pages, and so on. Plus the site claims to provide free delivery globally, which is next to impossible. So we are not recommending any one of you to shop from this store. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views and experience with us. Write in the comment box. We love to hear from you.